I got a perm ponytail, and then I went back and bought the Perm Yaki, and they're both beautiful ponytails in my opinion, but I wear them for different occasions. Hey guys, and welcome back to BlackisGolden. Today I am back with another video, and in today's video I will be comparing two of Sensationnel's drawstring ponytails. Before I get into this video, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you're a loyal supporter, thank you so much and welcome back. So I have been searching YouTube and the internet for quite some time for a comparison video, because as you guys may know if you watched my previous review of the instant ponytail, I got a perm ponytail and then I went back and bought the Perm Yaki, and they're both beautiful ponytails in my opinion, but I wear them for different occasions. So I'm just going to give you guys a bit of a review on each ponytail, where I would wear them and when I would wear them. So these are the two ponytails I am speaking about. This one is the Perm Yaki texture and this one is the perm texture. I did a review on my channel previously about this one, so if you haven't seen that, please go and check it out now before you continue to watch this video. This ponytail is the same as this one in terms of the time it takes to be installed, and it's a drawstring ponytail. It has a comb on the top and a comb at the bottom. It is just a little bit easier to be ramfled up basically. So I wore this ponytail to a christening, and based on from my opinion, it doesn't hold up very well when it's windy. So I had it on, it looked sleek, which is a look I would like to achieve when my hair is freshly permed, but it's not a look I would wear it's not something I would wear just anywhere. So I am going to install it. My hair is already back in one, so I'm going to install it so you guys can see exactly what I am talking about. So I start by clipping in the first clip at the top and the second one at the bottom, because that's what works for me, but you can do it in whichever order is convenient to you. I pull and adjust the drawstring, then I normally wrap it around just for a bit more security. Not that the ponytail is going anywhere, but I would rather not have the drawstring hanging. And then I use a bobby pin to secure it, and as usual I would take a little bit of hair and I would wrap it around just to give the illusion of this being my real hair, because when my hair is actually permed, freshly permed, I can pull it off. It looks like my real hair. So I'm just going to use one more bobby pin to secure the back of this, and then I'm going to give it a brush. Here you guys can see that this is a bit more sleek. This ponytail looks like freshly permed hair, like it says on the packaging, or just flat ironed hair. This is a ponytail I would wear when my hair has been freshly permed, when I'm going to an event inside, and not an outdoor event definitely, because this ponytail doesn't hold up very well with a lot of wind. So as it begins to get windy, this is what you'll see with the ponytail. It's going to start looking a bit tangled. It's going to be all over the place, and it's going to be a lot to manage while you're out and about and trying to have a good time. So this is why I said that I would recommend this ponytail for indoors or when you've just been freshly permed. And now we're on to the Perm Yaki ponytail, which is the one that I recently purchased. I am absolutely in love with this ponytail for the simple fact that it's very free and flowy. It's lightweight. It is just as easy to attach as the perm one that I just had on, but I just love the lightness of it. I just love the fact that it's flowy, and I don't know, I just love it. Okay, like personally I would go for this one, but I mostly use it when my hair hasn't been permed for a while, when I have a lot of new growth, so it will blend in very nice with my hair at that time. So I'm just gonna install this one so you guys could get an idea of what I'm talking about. And if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen pictures and videos of me wearing this ponytail because, as I said, to date it is my favorite ponytail between the two. So again, I'm just using a bobby pin to secure the ponytail. And then just like I did with the other one, I'm going to use a bit of here. And I'm gonna wrap it around. And I'm gonna brush it a bit. So this is what I mean by full and lightweight, and in the wind it's very flowy, like it's gonna actually look like your real hair. If you have a lot of new growth, or even if you have natural hair and you just got a blowout, it will match perfectly with your texture. It's very nice and easy to install. I just showed you guys two different textures of Sensationnel ponytails. They're both 30-inch ponytails, both drawstring, both 10 US each, and they're very easy to install. I am closing out this video with the Perm Yaki because it is my ultimate favorite. Just in case you guys are wondering, the gloss that I am wearing on my lips is from Prized Possessions. It's their first glitter gloss and it is called Golden Love and it's vanilla scented. I am obsessed with vanilla and I love this gloss because it's very shiny, it stays on your lips for long, and it just gives you that extra pop. So in case you guys want to go and check out Prized Possessions, I'll leave their link to their Instagram in the description box below, as well as the links for both ponytails, just in case you guys want to get one, or you can get both for the reasons that I mentioned before in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please check out some of the other videos on my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!